Your Leaf has a variety of meters, gauges, and indicator lights to help you monitor battery status. Monitoring these displays and adjusting your personal driving techniques accordingly helps minimize the energy usage in your vehicle. The meter displays the red and yellow master warning lights when warnings are shown. These lights may illuminate for a variety of reasons. The color of the light that illuminates depends on the type of malfunction detected. See your owner's manual for more information. The lithium-ion battery available charge gauge displays the approximate battery charge for running the vehicle. When the remaining battery charge is low, the low battery charge warning light and the master warning light will appear. You should recharge the vehicle before this gauge reaches the bottom line. The battery information menu shows the remaining capacity of the lithium-ion battery's charge and ability to store power. The vehicle battery, like all lithium-ion batteries, will experience gradual capacity loss with time and use. This reading displays the estimated distance your vehicle can be driven before recharging is necessary. It is constantly calculated based on driving style, operating conditions, and the amount of available battery charge. The driving range will vary every time the vehicle is fully charged, based on the actual average energy consumption from the last time the vehicle was driven. Vehicle range may be reduced in temperatures below -4 degrees. The power meter displays the traction motor power consumption and the regenerative brake power supplied to the lithium-ion battery. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.